Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to connect ESP32 with BLYNK server. So let's get started. First, we'll log into our BLYNK account. We'll go to templates, create new template, name it. Select hardware, connection type, done. Go to web dashboard. In control, select switch, bring to dashboard, go to its settings, create data stream, select virtual pin, select pin V0, data type I'm selecting it as integer, utils none, minimum value will be 0 and maximum will be 1 and by default it's 0, create, click create, when it's on it will be 1 and when it's off it will be 0. Click save. Save the web dashboard. Go to home, my devices, select new device, select from template, choose LED control, create. Go to device info. We'll go to our Smowcode studio and we'll start making the flow. Take on start node, connect with Wi-Fi. We'll configure Wi-Fi. Click we'll make an add new Wi-Fi config. Click add and we'll select the Wi-Fi config. Specify your router SSID. Specify a Wi-Fi password. In the output, we'll get success code. Click done. Select HTTP request node to send request to BLYNK server. We'll connect with a flow in the node. We'll specify a URL. We'll select our method get request. In the output we'll get response and status code. Let's copy URL and we'll paste here. Let's change pin to your selected pin. I have selected I'm putting your pin V0 as I've selected. Go to your device info, copy your authentication token and paste your token in the URL. Click done. We'll take a convert number text to number node. We'll connect with the flow and we'll pass the variable response text to number and the value will get the number in converted number variable. We'll select right node, connect with the flow, pass variable converted number, click done and we'll save our flow. We'll verify the flow and we'll upload it. Wait for a minute, it will take a while to upload. Now we'll go to a BLYNK server. Go to dashboard, and when we'll switch on a switch, so the LED at pin 2 will blink, and when we'll off it, the LED will glow off.